Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming a little bit of a haul that I've done recently. Had me a couple glasses of wine the other day and bought a bunch of stuff I didn't need, so I think we all know how that goes. But let's go ahead and get into what I purchased. So we'll start with things I'm wearing because I thought it would be fun to try stuff on. So I am wearing makeup from Trixie Cosmetics, her new collection. So I have, what is the collection called again? Just a Girl, the Just a Girl collection. It's the 90s inspired collection. So I purchased one of the new lip products. This is her lip gloss in Ginger Spice, which I'm wearing today, and I love. It is so dramatic. I think it's gorgeous. And unfortunately, mine arrived with a crack. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera or not. Okay, so I think you can kind of see there a little bit of a crack there. So is it the worst crack? Absolutely not. Are you gonna focus back on me, camera? One of those days. It's not the worst crack, but I can see the product starting to seep into the crack, which I'm not sure if it goes all the way to the surface or not, and I don't want it to start leaking out on things. So I did. As soon as, well, I had friends over when my package arrived, but as soon as I left, I took a picture, I emailed the customer service team, and that was last night. This morning, they emailed me back. They've already sent me a new one, so I love working with them. They just have really good service. It's really, really quick. Anyway, this is the cute little box. It's her standard box. It just says Ginger Spice on it, and I think this color is gorgeous. I could see this working on a huge variety of skin tones. It's just beautiful. So that is one item I got from Trixie. Here's the cute little postcard that came with the collection. Apparently she put together a whole playlist to go along with the collection. So there's that. It'll focus on it enough for you to get the QR code if you're interested. And then I also got the blush palette, like I needed a blush. No, absolutely not. I didn't need any makeup, but you're gonna see this is not the only makeup I purchased. So I bought the Just a Girl blush palette. Here is the box. And then the palette, quite a bit bigger than I was expecting it to be, but I guess we always see these demonstrated by Trixie on her channel. And you know, I forget she's a man and her hands are a lot bigger, so it makes the palette look smaller, but the palette's actually pretty big. So we've got the little plastic sheet in there. It comes with a mirror. I haven't taken the little plastic sheet off of my mirror just yet. So the colors are Cult Classic, Total Betty, which I'm wearing today, and Moxie. So here are the colors. Really pretty. I don't think I'm gonna get into swatching things today because I think that that would make this video like a million years long, but I will slowly be wearing each of these over the course of the next few videos, along with some other stuff I got. So just keep an eye out, and I always link down below to what I am wearing on my face, so check that out if you see anything you think, oh, that looks really good, I think I need that. So very excited about this. It's my first Trixie blush palette. I have a few of the lip products, but I don't have any of her blush palettes, and she's done, I think, 4 or 5? 4. I think this is the 4th one. So I'm really jazzed about that. The next item, before we get into more makeup, is just a little thing I got on Amazon. So this is a, what do they call these? An atomizer? It's just a little spritzing on the go container for perfume, and I didn't buy this for travel. I actually bought this because I have quite a few little roller balls, and I just don't care for roller balls. I don't like them. I'd much rather spritz. I like more of a distribution of scent. So I poured, I believe, my Pacifica Tuscan Blood Orange in here. I think that's the one I put in here. I'm gonna use that up, and then I'll move on to the next one, putting them in here because I'm not a big fan of roller balls. Yeah, they travel well, but I just don't care for them personally. So I got myself one of these in this pretty red color. This is just from Amazon. I will link to it down below. I have not had any issues with it. The reviews are very hit or miss, but I went for it specifically just because I wanted the red one. So yeah. And another drag queen item before we get into more makeup, which is also kind of drag queen items. I got my signed copy of Release the Beast by Bimini Bamboo Lash. I'm so excited. I love this queen, and not just because she's vegan. I just think she is so cool and inspirational, and I can't wait to give this a read. And I can't believe it's signed. She touched my book. Oh my god. That's very exciting. Now, moving into the makeup, more makeup. I got some makeup from Kimchi Cosmetics. This is one of those, had a little too much wine one night and just went wild purchases. And I got her entire collection with Plastique Tiara. So, did I need it? No. Do I wear this much makeup that I need all these collections and things? Absolutely not, but I wanted them. So it came with a few stickers. I gave most of them to my friend that was over at my house when all this arrived, but I did keep this one because I thought it was cute. It says, I want it, I got it. My camera does not want to focus today, but you know what? That's what it says. Very, very cute. I'm gonna put that on my little cork board. And like I said, I bought the whole collection. Like I needed all this stuff. So that includes the lip kit, which has 3 items in it. There is the Nude Sensation lip pencil. And then we have like a liquid lipstick and a gloss, I believe. Yeah. So the liquid lipstick and the little gloss that can go on top. Now, the liquid lipstick is very pigmented. The gloss has color to it that will show up on your lips, but it's a lot more sheer. So, very cute. This can, on screen, kind of look sort of similar to the Ginger Spice, but it dries much different. This has more purpley undertones to it. This is definitely a little more orange leaning. All colors are beautiful. I have not tried these on yet, so definitely keep an eye out for those in my future videos because I cannot wait to share them with you guys. I am so excited. I don't really treat myself to makeup and stuff that often because I don't need it, realistically. I have so much makeup, and that being said, I don't have nearly anywhere near as much makeup as some people do, but it's enough for me. I don't wear makeup every single day, but I have enough to get by for a long time. But you know, it's fun just buying it and looking at it. It's so pretty. So yeah, I have a problem. Now I also got the, is the whole collection called Nude Sensation? It must be. Let's see. Life in Plastique Blush, Bronzer, and Highlight Palette. So Kimchi is on the side. Plastique is on that side. And you can't really tell on screen, but this is like a texturized type of packaging, and it catches the light so it almost looks glittery. It's really pretty. Let's open this up. And then on the little tab it says, "Hi darling." So on the front of this palette you have half of Plastique's face, half of Kimchi's face, and I just think it's really cute how they designed that. And then on the inside, here's the palette. It's really pretty. Really pretty. I think that kind of bronzery color right here is actually a color I could probably use on my face. Both of the bronzers I think I could use on my face. I don't think they're too dark, even for my light skin tone. I'll just have to have a very light hand. Both the blushes are beautiful. Both the highlights are beautiful. Now, the more golden one I do think might be a little much for my skin tone, but I could always put it on my eye or something. It's just really pretty. I'm so excited about this stuff that I did not need. And then the last part of the collection is the 2 eyeshadow palettes that come with this. Now, talk about things I don't need. I really don't need eyeshadow. I hardly ever wear eyeshadow. I am wearing eyeshadow today. This is a really old discontinued MAC, but I am wearing something today. So here is the box that the eyeshadow palettes come in. Also says "Hi Darling" when you open it, and then it has the palette sitting in it like this. So we'll look at the Kimchi palette first. Here's what that looks like. It does have a mirror. Look at those colors. That is beautiful. That's almost the same color as the scrunchie, actually. That's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the Plastique palette is a little more neutral. Doesn't really have this fun pops of color, but you do kind of get a little bit of orange going on up top. Just really, really pretty. I'm so excited about all of these. Just super excited. So as I mentioned, I will be wearing more of the Trixie blushes, the 2 I haven't tried so far, and then some of the Kimchi stuff in my future videos to come, so keep an eye out for that. I'm really excited about those products. Very excited. And then a couple other things I have to show, and this is very random. I bought these socks. Saw them on an ad. They're like way overpriced socks. They're called Ondu, I believe. I got a mixed pack of white and black, but they're just really interesting low profile socks, and they have a little piece of like rubber on the back so they stay put, and rubber on the top here. Is there rubber on the top there? No, it's just on the back. But basically they're just a super low profile sock, so you don't see them when you're wearing like your sneakers and stuff. I really like wearing Converse, and I have a pair of, I think they're called Vija, I don't know how it's pronounced, V-E-J-A, I think, canvas sneakers that I really like. And I just don't like seeing socks with those. I feel like it ruins the look, so I'm really excited to try these. And then the last thing I have to share are some of the sweatsuits from Loft that I raved about last year. I decided to get a few more. So I have this murky green color. I got the sweatshirt and matching sweatpants, but I wore the sweatpants earlier today when I was cleaning the house and doing a whole bunch of crap. So those are in the hamper because they are kind of dirty. And then I got the sweatshirt and sweatpants in this dark deep blood red. And then I just got the sweatpants because there was not a matching sweatshirt in this really foresty dark green color, which is really, really pretty. I don't even think it's showing up on camera as green as it is. It's showing up very gray on the camera, but these are green and they're very pretty. So that is everything I have to share in this haul. That's all I've gotten recently, like clothing and beauty wise. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything, even though I didn't need like any of this stuff, to be honest. It was all just kind of funsies. But I hope you enjoyed this video, this kind of just gratuitous for fun video. So if you did enjoy the video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if there's a specific product that I showed you guys that you want me to get to trying next before everything else, you wanted to cut the line, definitely let me know down below and I can arrange for that. And did I tell you guys to subscribe? I don't remember. But do that, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye!